Okay guys, welcome back to my last episode of eating boiled banana and sago with sugar. With sugar. With milk. With sugar. With milk. May sugar na to, matamis. Okay. So, ayan. Kay misis na yan. Natutulog ba si misis? Ako na lang kakain. Run and roll. Sarap ng sago. Saka boiled banana. Ito pala yung luto ng anak ko. Shout out Team Rod. Heke. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. From Dayton, Ohio, USA. Okay. Shout out, ma'am. Shout out natin yung ating kaibigan o very very best friend, YouTube channel friend, Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. This ito yan yung mga old one niya videos pero maganda sample. All videos na maganda ay ang sample is after na magandang kanta ito yung ABBA winner takes it all. The winner take it all. The winner take it all. La 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 la. Yan o. Yan. So, kuan yun, nitema sa copyright ba? Off mo natin. Sample lang yun. Anyway, shout out Ma'am Shen. Piano Salon. Yes. Then, dito tayo sa baba. Kasi, tapos na yung iba. And down. Si Lisa ito. Lisa Antonio Vlog. Shout out ma'am. Ma'am and sir. Ito si Irene Talents Life Vlog. Shout out ma'am. Yung bago nilang vlog. Friends give us cheer. Ito to. Ang ganda ganda naman ang cheer na binigay. Yan, shout out ma'am. Puntahan nyo ito, yun guys ha, yung channel ni Ma'am Irene. That's everything on the agenda. Sample. Ito yung vlog ni everything from the agenda. Yan. Pogi naman si sir. Sa Turkian. Kasing pogi ko lang. Charot. So Lourdes Wasin, shout out. And then si Cortland Travel, yan, shout out. Si Juliana Station, shout out. Kabisado ko na yata ang lahat Ito hindi ko kabisado to. Sorry. Hindi ko yata kuhan yun. Matagal yun friend siguro. Anyway, karon talaga. Hindi nagpi-play sa atin. Hindi ko rin na-play siya. Charot na. Ganun talaga. Meron talagang ganun na hindi ka piniplay nila. Hindi mo rin sila ipi-play. Minsan nagpi-play ako. Hindi ko alam kung nag-reply ba sa akin. Anyway, ganun talaga ang life. So, shout out Winter Shine. Mga Pinay sa Lebanon. Yan. Puntahan kita maya, ma'am. Saka si Lourdes Wasin. Shout out, ma'am. Ito yung channel ng Lourdes Wasin. Yan. At out din kay Just World. Yan. African Mukbanger. Yan. Shout out to Ma'am Fatima, our member, YouTube member. Shout out din kay Orbixcon Pili. Okay. Meron tayong new member. Tingnan natin Kalimutan. Dito tayo sa membership. Before that, ito yung last, kita ko nilang ito April 7. Ito yung kita natin. Ito yung last previous. So ito. So yung kuan ito na, January. Ito yung last, January, September, May. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat pala na kuan na sweldo ko sa YouTube. So anyway, member tayo. Meron tayong dalawang members, yung may bago tayong isa, si ito, naka $4 na ako. Thank you. Yan, ang bagong member natin, si Drone from Life from Germany. Yan. At saka si Ma'am Fatima Shahida from America. Yan. America to Ghana. Okay. Shout out both of you. Salamat sa pamembro. Pamembro din kayo, guys. Don't hesitate to become my member. Ipi-play ko kayo, ipipin, mag-comment, saka play ng play, share ng share sa videos niyo. Okay. Ganun lang. I will play your videos if you are my member. I will share your videos to promote your channel and always features your channel in my YouTube content. Player and then play, share, and then pin, lahat isa-shout out ko kayo. Yan na. So become a member of my YouTube channel. Charot. Okay. Yan. Si Botkar Adventure, shout out. Ito din si Carl, shout out. Kasi Bibian, Ma'am Bibian, PH, shout out. Si Buboy Palad, yung mahilig na mag-video K. Magaling kumanta yan. Very good cover music. Si Psyche Village. Ito naman si from Pakistan. Pakiza Kitchen. Yan. Yan. Hindi ko mabasa. Sorry. JNTG. Kusina ni Mamay. Oh. Palad si Buboy. Kasi shout out to Mariner Channel yan. Na-shout out ko na rin siya. Okay. Minsan ko lang siya makita. Giam's Kitchen, shout out. Ito si Giam's Kitchen, shout out. So, okay. Nandito lang tayo, guys. See you next vlog.